Menting from 23 ABC, and with me today is Josh Waters Rudge, guitarist and vocalist for British reggae band The Skints. Your band has a unique sound in that there's elements of reggae, ska, punk, and hip hop. How has that developed and gotten refined over the years?
Um, yeah, I mean, it's been a long time, like it has been a lot of years now. So yeah, the sound, I guess, has developed, I guess, with our skills in music improving, but also probably to do with our tastes evolving as well. We started the band really young when we were teenagers, kind of snot-nosed punk rock kids. And we were always into a lot of different kinds of music. We were always into the styles that we have dabbled in, but I guess as time's gone on, we've kind of been able to incorporate those other styles into the sound more than just being a one thing.
Fairly early in the pandemic, the Skints released a live album, Live at Electric Brixton. Was it a way to kind of give back to fans since live music was almost exclusively live streams then?
Yeah, pretty much. We'd never done a live record before. People have been saying about it for years. That show had happened maybe 3 or 4 months before the pandemic sort of really hit globally. And we had it, and yeah, it just felt like a right time to do it. Hear a show at home while we can't go to any.
So the UK had a more widespread lockdown than the US. As a musician, how were you able to kind of navigate that, and how eager were you to get back out on the road when the lockdown kind of lifted?
Yeah, I mean, it was really difficult to navigate. Obviously, it massively affected us. In a financial way as well as a creative way, not being able to link up and stuff. So yeah, a couple of us were like doing other jobs and things, like real life scenario for everybody to get by. So yeah, I mean, it would take more than a global pandemic for the band to break up, but it definitely put us out of practical action for a while. So yeah, it feels good to be getting back to business now for sure.
Good. Let's talk about the upcoming tour with Flogging Molly and the Interrupters. It's a tour that will make its way to the Central Coast in September. How did it come about, and what are you most looking forward to about it?
Well, the tour came about through our relationship with the Interrupters. They are friends of ours. We met probably back in 2016 now. We actually went on Tim Armstrong from Ranted's podcast. And Kevin is part of that podcast, and obviously works with Tim very closely. And the twins, Jesse and Justin, were there as well. So we kind of met from then. We had the relationship. We're both fans of each other's bands. And then it was actually the last tour we did, January of 2020. The last tour before pandemic that we did, January 2020. We did UK with them. And then yeah, pandemic hit. They were making their record. We've actually done a feature for the album, and we'd always said that we wanted to come to the US with you guys. So it's all just kind of linked up at the right time, really.
And you're also featured on on a new song of theirs on their new album. How did that opportunity come along? Was it just because based on friendship, or did they kind of like say, we kind of have this song, would you guys like to play on it, or how did that?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, yeah, like I said, the friendship's kind of been more active than actually the bands have been working together. So I guess it was just kind of a natural thing. They hit us up, said, we've got a song in mind for you guys, and I guess tempo wise, it's probably more, on the side of things that I could, I guess I heard it and I was like, oh, I can hear us doing this as well. So yeah, it was nice. It was nice. Yeah, I'm sure many singers or bands could have filled the slot good. So it was nice for them to ask us to do it for sure.
Your great album, Learning to Swim, came out in 2019. I saw some then and now photos on Facebook of you guys outside a studio, kind of like when you guys were first starting out and like more recently. Are you guys working on a new album?
Yeah, we're just working on new music right now. I think the idea of trying to record 10 to 15 songs all at the same time is a bit mind blowing right now. So we're taking things on a song by song basis. But there's
Oh,
new music coming for sure.
oh, nice. That's always good to hear.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
One thing that amazes me about the Skints is that you, Marsha, and Jamie all sing lead vocals at times, and all all do it really extremely well. How do you decide who gets to sing lead on songs? Does it just kind of flow a certain way, and you think that your voice might be better for a certain song, or how does that work?
Yeah, I mean, often it's like whoever's singing, there's a good chance they wrote it. Sometimes we write parts for each other too. But I think, kind of been at it long enough now where we kind of know like certain songs and certain styles, who's going to sit on what better. So yeah, we've kind of got that figured out pretty good now, I think.
Okay. Cool. What are some of the things that you like about playing shows in California? Because you guys have played quite a few shows.
Yeah, man. California, we love California, man. The West Coast in well, we love to come to the US, but the West Coast is always very special for us. I guess it's like a lot of people who are really into the kind of things we're really into as well. You know what I mean? It's a lot of like culturally, punk rock and ska and reggae music and skateboarding and so much of like what we've like loved growing up. Like lots of people in California are into as well. So we kind of have a lot of shared interest with the audience. You know what I mean? That we can like relate to a lot in terms of interest, which is really cool. And yeah, usually the weather's a lot better than when we're playing over here as well, which is always a nice thing for us.
Yeah, for sure.
And Mexican cuisine.
Nice. Yeah, I saw that you guys had just gotten done with a tour in Mexico. How did that go?
Yeah, yeah. It was one huge show, but it was above and beyond the biggest show we've ever played
Okay.
in our lives. So yeah, we were in Mexico City for a week and it was amazing, man. Yeah, it was one of my favorite, in 15 years is, a highlight of just the gig itself was like absolutely unbelievable, but just like the shared time of like us as friends being on the ground in somewhere as amazing as Mexico City was a beautiful thing, man.
So is there anything else that you would like the like people to know about the Skins or about the upcoming tour?
Yeah, just if you're gonna come to the tour, just come early because we're playing mega early. We're on first of four. Three other great bands: Tiger Army, Flogging Molly, and the Interrupters. But if you're trying to catch us, yeah, make sure you're there at like 6 p.m. because otherwise you're gonna miss it.
Yeah, yeah, and I hope that people do come out to see you guys because I've seen you guys one time in Fresno and I was just amazed by the energy.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Fresno. Remind me the name of the venue.
Oh, I think it, God, I
We
don't
played
think
the
it,
same place
I
twice.
think I think it was Strummers maybe.
Yeah, yeah. Strummers. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
It's
and
hot out there, man.
yeah, for sure. And
Yeah,
it was with Fortunate Youth and
yeah, yeah.
Step
Fortunate
Up.
Youth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we played with them, and we played with the Expanders there once as well.
Oh, cool.
But yeah, yeah. We have a couple friends in Fresno, man. Always good to come to Central